Today what we're going to do?
Today,
We're going to do what?
we're gonna make fillet and Croûte.
The fillet of Croûte. Wow.
Or,
Okay.
in English,
Yeah.
beef Wellington.
Ah, beef Wellington. C'est beef Wellington.
Can you say beef Wellington?
Beef Wellington.
Yeah,
Very good.
fantastic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, first operation, what we do the Duxelles of mushroom. Okay. So you take your mushroom like that, cut in two, and you chop like that. Okay. Okay. You don't need to cook. Good. All right. Okay. Let's do it. Good. What you doing, George?
Cutting
What?
mushrooms.
Take the mushroom in the machine. Yep.
Another one.
In a pan, warm up the butter and melt the shallots. Then reduce the mushroom for 8 minutes or until you obtain a thicker paste.
Okay. Now we're going to do. What are we going to do?
We're gonna make it cut.
Okay.
What goes in a crepe?
What goes in the crepe?
Flour, egg, salt, chive, milk, and soda, water.
Well done.
And can you do crepes?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, I want to learn from you. Okay? Show us.
Okay, Georgie, so what do we put in first?
We pop in a pinch of salt.
Yep, maybe a little bit more than that. Good boy, perhaps a little bit more. You can mix that up now. Okay, that's enough. Now let's put in the milk. I'll add it for you slowly, and you can do the mixing. So we just add slowly. Okay, milk is going in. That's it. A little bit of water, soda water, because it's got soda in it and bubbles to make it nice and fluffy. Soda water in it now. Looks very good. Don't want any more liquid. What's next? Egg. Okay, you want to break the egg in there? That's egg from your hens, George. Good boy.
No, I want to mix that.
Well done. Mix that in. And last but not least, the chives. So no, pop. You can tip the whole lot in.
Okay. Well,
Take the bowl and pop it in.
wait.
Just had a bath of chives. Okay. Good boy.
No, no.
Your job. Yeah.
I think he's the real chef.
Good boy. All right. And now what we do, George, we put that in the fridge for about 1 hour. Oil, some lard, just a little bit. There's a rumour it's not healthy, it's actually more healthy than butter. Okay, so we've taken the beautiful eye fillet from the fridge. We just lightly salt with fleur de sel, and we're going now to cook it with some lard and olive oil. Just sear the outside, but not attempting to cook it, just to sear it. So here goes, it's got a splash, be careful. Good sizzle, what we want. And you basically just work the meat. And all we want to do is sear. Turn it. And to let that cool down a little bit, and then I'm going to wrap it in cling foil and put it in the fridge. So this pan is hot, it's been in the oven has been preheated. We put the grease-proof baking paper, and I just take this to fit it in flat. And we have our beautiful mixture we made earlier, it's been in the fridge, and we're going to apply it in here. And now that's it, fantastic. And now we take the stick and we make sure it's even everywhere. A little bit of a even. All right, and then we take this and put it in the oven. Okay, so we took the crepe from the oven and we let it cool on the bench. And now we're going to lay the crepe out on the Glad wrap. So we are going to very carefully take it from the paper, flip it upside down and remove it that way. And we have it here. We're going to lay the prosciutto on top of the crepe. So we do that and we lay it down to the end. Remove that. Okay, so this is the Duke Lux, which we cooked earlier. The mushrooms and the shallot and a little bit of seasoning. It's been in the fridge without cover to help to dry it out. And you can see it's quite dry. So we're going to use our hands and just gently put it over the top of the prosciutto. And then we're going to put it out evenly across at least 2/3 of the area where the meat will be going. So we take the beautiful fresh chicken liver pâté made earlier and we completely cover the meat with a spatula to make it extra flavor, nice saltiness and the flavor of the liver. Put this there. Okay, so we have our pre-cooked beef. We have a beautiful pâté. Now, so chicken liver pâté covered with the pre-cook, the Duke Lux here, and the beautiful prosciutto underneath the crepe. Okay, so now we're going to roll. So to roll, it's a little bit like making a sushi roll, and we squeeze in, squeeze in, squeeze in, and we make a beautiful roll like that. Look at that, fantastic. Now we cover the ends, we finish the roll, and there we are. And we put this back in the fridge now. So this is now out of the fridge, and we're going to put it in the pastry, and we're going to very gently take the pastry and roll. Like this. Very good. Yes. Voila. And then all we do is we take some egg wash, put it here, and close the ends with egg wash. So I take the egg wash, put it around to close the end. Fantastic. Okay. Very good. We do the same this end. Make sure it's in to stick. Very good. Take some more egg. And then we're going to put this back into the fridge just for the last time before we cook it. All right, we take it out of the oven now. It's good. It's about beef rare in the middle. And we're just going to let it sit so it still heats a little bit and the juices get absorbed by the meat.
Bravo, Andrew! You did a very good job. The eye fillet is beautifully cooked, rare like the one I like, and the mushroom Duxelles, the pâté, the crepe, and the pastry, all that around the beef is adding this magic flavor like Paul Bocuse did. Now we can dish up on a warm plate a slice of big Wellington. You can garnish with fresh green beans in garlic butter and fondant potatoes. And to finish, pour some Bordelaise sauce around your beef Wellington. Your guests will be very happy. Don't forget, thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe to support our humble channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.